Gray seals have a wide distribution and can be found on both sides of the North Atlantic. Their range includes coastal areas of North America, Europe, and some Arctic regions. They typically breed on rocky shores, islands, and remote coastal areas. They form colonies during the breeding season, and these colonies can range in size from a few individuals to several thousand. When not breeding, gray seals use haul-out sites for resting, molting, and socializing. These sites can include beaches, rocky shores, and ice floes. Haul-out sites are essential for the seals to come ashore, regulate their body temperature, and avoid predators. Gray seals are highly mobile and are known to cover large distances in search of food. They forage in a variety of marine environments, including coastal waters, continental shelves, and deeper offshore areas. They feed on a diet of fish, squid, and crustaceans. Some populations of gray seals may undergo seasonal migrations in response to changes in food availability or environmental conditions. For example, they may move to different foraging areas or disperse over a wider geographic range. Gray seal pups are born with a white or creamy coat known as lanugo. This coat helps in thermoregulation and buoyancy in the water. The lanugo is typically molted within a few weeks, and the pup's fur then takes on a more grayish color. Gray seal pups are born with a white or creamy coat known as lanugo. This coat helps in thermoregulation and buoyancy in the water. The lanugo is typically molted within a few weeks, and the pup's fur then takes on a more grayish color. Adult male gray seals are generally larger than females. Males can weigh between 370 to 880 kilograms, while females typically weigh between 180 to 370 kilograms. Adult males are also longer than females. Gray seals have a robust and streamlined body shape, well adapted for swimming. They have a long, tapering snout with a V-shaped nostril. Their front flippers are powerful and are used for steering in the water, while their hind flippers can be rotated forward to help them move on land. Male gray seals, particularly during the breeding season, develop a more pronounced and elongated nose. This feature, known as a Roman nose, is one of the ways to visually distinguish between males and females. Gray seals are strong and agile swimmers. They use their front flippers for propulsion and their hind flippers for steering. They are capable of diving to significant depths in search of prey. The depth and duration of dives can vary, with some individuals capable of diving several hundred meters and holding their breath for an extended period. Gray seals spend a significant amount of time out of the water, a behavior known as hauling out. They use beaches, rocky shores, and ice floes for resting, molting, and giving birth. Hauling out serves various purposes, including controlling body temperature, avoiding predators, and social interactions. Gray seals can be both solitary and social animals, depending on the context. During the breeding season, they gather in colonies where social interactions, mating, and puppying occur. Outside of the breeding season, individuals may be more solitary, and interactions can range from aggressive encounters to more tolerant behavior. They communicate using a variety of vocalizations, including grunts, growls, and singing sounds. Vocalizations play a role in various social interactions, such as establishing dominance, attracting mates, and mother-pup communication. Gray seals are known for their curious and playful behavior, especially in the water. They may engage in activities such as riding waves, playing with objects, or interacting with other seals. Gray seals predominantly feed on a variety of fish species. Common prey items include cod, herring, flatfish, sand eels, and others. The specific types of fish consumed can vary depending on the location and availability of prey in the seal's foraging areas. While fish make up the majority of their diet, gray seals may also consume squid. Squid provides an additional source of protein and nutrients. In some cases, gray seals may eat crustaceans such as crabs and shrimp. However, crustaceans are generally a less significant part of their diet compared to fish. Gray seals are skilled and agile hunters, using their sharp teeth and strong jaws to catch and consume prey. They are capable of diving to significant depths in search of food. The depth and duration of their dives can vary, with some individuals diving several hundred meters. The specific composition of their diet can vary based on the availability of prey in their foraging areas. Gray seals are opportunistic feeders, adjusting their diet based on the abundance and distribution of prey species. The availability of prey can also vary seasonally, influencing the seal's foraging behavior and diet. For example, during the breeding season, the energy requirements of pregnant and nursing females may affect their feeding patterns. The availability of prey can also vary seasonally, influencing the seal's foraging behavior and diet. For example, during the breeding season, the energy requirements of pregnant and nursing females may affect their feeding patterns. Adult males establish territories, often in close proximity to haul-out sites, where they will compete for access to females. These territories are defended by males to secure mating opportunities. Dominant males, often larger and more experienced, compete for the right to mate with females. The successful males establish harems, consisting of several females, within their territories. The mating process involves courtship displays and vocalizations. Mating occurs both on land and in the water. After mating, the females undergo a gestation period of about 11 months. This extended gestation period includes a delay in implantation, ensuring that the female gives birth during the next breeding season. After mating, the females undergo a gestation period of about 11 months. This extended gestation period includes a delay in implantation, ensuring that the female gives birth during the next breeding season. The bond between the mother and pup is strong. Mothers nurse their pups with a rich, high-fat milk, providing essential nutrients for growth. The mother remains with the pup for a few weeks, during which time the pup gains strength and learns essential behaviors, such as swimming and foraging. Gray seal pups are weaned after a few weeks, at which point they begin to forage on their own. Once weaned, the pups become more independent, although they may remain in the vicinity of the breeding colony. After the breeding season, gray seals may disperse to other areas for foraging and may not return to the breeding colony until the next breeding season. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for even more viewing pleasure. Don't forget, like and comment. Feel free to share.